Welcome to Beach Walks with Rocks at beachwalks.tv. Today is show number 6. So it's raining again today, and I woke up this morning, hang on now, thinking that, I don't really feel like talking to anyone today. I don't know if you ever have days like that, but it got me thinking, well, how can I work this out? Because one of my pet peeves is I really don't like all or nothing thinking. So I'm thinking, well, I don't want to talk to anyone today, shouldn't do a show. And I thought, no, I can still do a show, because I'm still going to the beach, still going to have my walk with Lexi, and just not going to talk. So we're going to give you a show today in silence. Enjoy the sounds of the birds, the sounds of the rain, the sounds of the water, and I'll see you tomorrow. Aloha. Where do you go to feel better? Have a place. It really makes a difference. And then be true to it. Thanks for joining me again. Call the conch line, Skype Roxanne Darling, or by phone leave a voice message 949-544-1456. Aloha.